Chamaerops humilis is also known as the Mediterranean hardy fan palm, and if you're thinking about any palm at all to grow here in the UK in your garden, I think this would be the perfect choice. And there's two reasons for that. First of all, this is regarded to be the hardiest of all palms that you could grow. So of any Mediterranean palm, this is considered in the UK to be the hardiest. So certainly hardy to -5. Once established, could be as hardy as -10, 11 or even 12. Particularly if it's in a lovely well-drained spot in a south-facing area. So pick your spot carefully, but certainly -5, really not a problem. So for the majority of years, this is a rock-solid, perfect palm to have in your garden. What you'll receive could vary, so there's different sizes available on the website. Depending on your budget or your specific needs, you'll find slightly larger ones or slightly smaller ones. You pick and then we'll deliver it to you, but they'll arrive nursery fresh. This happens to be one of the larger ones. It's a big chunky fella in a big old pot, so perfect for instant impact on your patio. And we always like to offer that option. If you've got more time on your hands and you want to wait and you can be more patient, perhaps go for one of the smaller ones, which would be less expensive. But this is an absolute perfect choice. So winter hardy makes it a perfect choice for the UK, and very winter hardy at that. The fact that it's a slow grower means that in your garden, if you've got limited space or you've just got a specific application where you want to plant it knowing that it's going to look great and be great for many years, this is a slow growing palm, so it's not going to take over any given area. Over the next probably 5 years, this will grow to around about 1 metre tall. So that's the kind of growth that you're going to get over 5 years. And again, the same again over the 5 years that follow. So up to 1.5 to 2 metres at the end of 10 years. And then those lovely trunks will form along the way, giving you that sort of beautiful brown trunk with the gorgeous, lush green, finger-shaped palmette branches on the top there. So it's a great choice. If you want to give your garden a makeover, create a real Mediterranean space in your garden, on your patio, in your courtyard garden, on your balcony, your terrace, wherever you choose, this is a great palm to do it. And you can do it knowing that if you haven't got heated greenhouses or an indoor area to overwinter, this one's really, really hardy. So the Chamaerops humilis, the Mediterranean hardy fan palm, an absolute must if you want to create that Mediterranean look. And this is one that will be with you for so many years.